Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the digital metal detector by Ground Effects. This is the Storm Series MX50. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. So again, this is the MX50 Ground Effects Storm Series digital metal detector. And you can see it has a bunch of different metal modes. It says 8-inch submersible coil. So you can put it in water, it seems. Easy to use, a large LCD, 8 metal categories. It does use 6 AAA batteries, so you gotta buy those separately, and it does have elimination modes. So in the box, this is what we're gonna have. It comes with your getting started manual, talks about how you set everything up from the elimination to detecting different metals and putting it together. This is the coil that you see here, and with a wire that does come tied up. I actually untied it and set it up. So just put it back in the box, but now I'm doing the unboxing for you. So here also is the connector that's going to run up, up the handle here. And as you see, they have it wrapped up the handle to the LCD display. And then we have our actual LCD display here. So we have the display here, which will light up if you put the batteries in, as well as your armrest area. And then we have 2 extender poles to make it, long enough that you could actually use it properly with holding it. But that's what's in the box of the Ground Effects Storm Series MX50. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.